this is the second Corne I'm building, and this time I went for MX switches, and I also went with the DreamEater keycaps. I tried to use something different from switches, so I used Hako True, which I know most of the people complain. They're not really tactile, they're more like linears, but I actually happen rather to like the feeling. Yes, you don't really feel the tactile bump, but what you feel actually is the switch pushing you back once you bottom out. So yeah, there is no tactile bump, there is a bit of resistance and a bit of pushing back. Actually, I really like them, but yeah, they feel like they're more like linears with a twist. So I'll try to zoom in a bit in the keycaps. Oh. Right. So this is the DreamEater. They feel really nice. I like the color scheme. I like how different shades of blue. Well, this is like the blue-green, and this soapy color. Yeah, this is the Ergodox scheme, and they're really nice. I mean, if you like smooth, shiny keycaps. I know there have been some complaints, but I don't see any issues. And the shiny beats, the shiny keycaps, they're really nice. They feel amazing. And for some reason they are double shot as well. I don't know if it's easy to see that. Let me try to manual focus on that. Right, there. So